is this the best smartphone under Rs 30,000? In short, the answer is no. I know a lot of guys on YouTube are saying that the Moto Edge 50 Pro is the best all-rounder at Rs 30,000. And they're not entirely wrong, but there are some notable cons जिनके बारे में आप सबको पता होना चाहिए. So in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to discuss just that. So sit tight, and for those who are on this channel for the first time, I'm Himanshu and you're watching ThinkTech. Jahan I give you my brutally honest opinion of smartphones in the shortest time possible, because I know your time is valuable. So then, now that you have made it this far, let's get started. Starting off, let me straightforwardly just skip the display, क्योंकि in short, it's actually pretty good. There are no complaints for the display. It's smooth, crisp and bright. So without wasting your time, let's just move forward. For your sake, I've displayed the technical specifications on the screen. Looking at the performance, the 7 Gen 3 is a decent chip, and somehow Motorola ने अपने UFS 2.2 को बाकी phones के UFS 3.1 से better optimize किया है, which results in an overall decent performance. It's actually somewhat comparable to the older Snapdragon 888, which is good enough for most people. But यहाँ एक issue आ जाता है heating का. Yes guys, for some reason the Edge 50 Pro is heating more than its competitors even while doing something as basic as web browsing. This can be fixed by software update, but for now this is a huge con for me. Let's now talk about the cameras. So guys, it's good to see that Motorola is providing a dedicated telephoto lens in this price range. And the sensors delivers as well. All the 3 cameras perform very good in all lighting conditions. But then again, जब बात आती है video recording की, then the Edge 50 Pro falls back. Video quality here is just average. And in my experience, Nothing Phone 2A का overall video recording somehow feels better to me, even after being around Rs 5,000 cheaper. So it's a thumbs up for photos, but a meh for videos. Lastly, let's finish with battery and software. In my experience, the 4500 mAh cell will last you through a day of moderate use. And adding some juice also is pretty fast with its 125 watt charger. But mind you, only the higher variant comes with the 125 watt brick. नीचे वाले variants में आपको somewhat average 68 watt का charger मिलेगा, so keep that in mind. Lastly, I've always liked Motorola's approach towards their vanilla software. It feels polished and somewhat premium for the price. They are also offering 3 plus 4 years of updates, which is decent. But the only issue being the late updates, so expect that you will have to wait a bit before you get your next update. Finishing with that, here are some specs worth mentioning before I give my verdict. So then, to answer the question from the beginning of the video, is the Edge 50 Pro the best smartphone under Rs 30,000? My answer actually depends on what you actually need. Are you looking for performance? Because if you are, then there are better options for you in the market. Are you then looking for cameras? Because once again, there are phones with better overall cameras, like the Phone 2A that I mentioned earlier. So as you can see, the Edge 50 Pro is a case of jack of most trades but master of none. It is a fantastic phone for your parents or anyone who just wants a boring minimalistic smartphone to carry with them. And that's actually 80% of our population. So the Edge 50 Pro is a safe bet for most consumers. But if you are looking for something specific and can't decide to which smartphone would be perfect for you, then I'm here to assist you on that. I have created an Instagram account just for you guys, where you can DM me and we can have a one-on-one conversation to help you get your perfect smartphone. The link is in the pinned comment below, so come follow me on Instagram. Well, of course, after you subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment about your thoughts, and we will meet in the next Brutally Honest review.